my gosh. Okay, she's already doing it. Mama Rose is throwing coins.
3, 4. Isbog daw, isbog.
100,000.
Ay! Naigo ka?
This side doesn't have the moon, but I walk around, I can still see, excuse all the stuff hanging. Yeah, it's just going behind clouds. That was so cool, watching everybody surf under a full moon. And then all the guys next door who are working in construction, they're all swimming together in the ocean. Really wonderful. Hey, I think a few of the resorts are open again. That was Dagat ni Tatay, the glowing one there on the beach, and of course Mama Rose, everybody's next door. But bro, somebody caught a wave and I have it in the moon. It's like a moonlight wave. I engineered that with my drone, bro. I'm an engineer.
No.
I'm an what?
No,
I'm an engineer.
No, only us.
What?
Only us.
Then what am I?
You're droners.
Droners
only.
Club?
Droners only.
I'm a Kalipa engineer. I engineer happiness.
Yeah, pwede.
Pwede? Pwede. Pwede. Oh, Amgal. Team Amgal. The Amgal Blaan. Nice. This is awesome, man. These are for the foundations, no? Nice, man.
Marami. Okay. I'm go. Hinay lang. Okay. Opto.
Wow, that can bacon, no?
Spacer.
Ah, these are the spacers?
Yeah.
Manong's calling them cookies. Kinsa magluto? Kinsa magluto sa cookies?
Si paring Alex.
Kinsa ang cookie master? Ah, it's always Alex. So that's the spacers for
the footing.
ah, sakto.
So that the reverse of one ba? Protection against corrosion.
Ah, so protection against corrosion. So these here are all rebar posts that are going in. They're going to be the foundations with concrete? Ah, okay, cool. Heights, man.
Ang sarap na in English ya.
This one? This is the lateral one. Reinforcement. The main reinforcement for the polo.
Cool, man. I have a question. The bending by hand, is that a usual technique, or is that like...
That's the manual.
So there's machines that can do that, but they're doing this all by hand.
Yeah.
That's hardcore, man. That's like...
This is just small.
I guess they've been doing that for years, though, right? This is like their usual thing they've been doing for years.
Yeah.
That's cool.
They're used to that.
Nice bread. Engineer, please repeat this.
The structure can withstand the typhoon.
There we go. That is what's going on. The structure that we're putting up. That's right, it's big holes. Big holes, big puso. Manong Alex, what's like kusog?
Kamgis.
Kamgis?
Kamgis, to.
Sige. In Blaan, kamgis, kusog. Diba? Kumar's loving it. Kumar's loving your learning, bro. Dude.
Double check it.
Is it kamgis, no? What's like kamgis?
Kamgis, samgal.
I'm confused now. It's like kusog. Okay, kusog. You're always trying to trick me, man. You're always trying. You already teamed up with the Blaan, man. I see what you're doing.
Up with Manong Alex.
The lead.
Kamgis, kusog. Kamgis.
It's double the size. It's kamgis. Manong, see? Kamgis. Double yung size. Kamgis. The real kamgis. What's a flabi? Hapon, flabi. Sige. Kamgis sa flabi. Flabi. That's the real kamgis. Fighter wine just doubled their bottles to 750 ml. These guys always have fighter in the evening. I told you, one day I'm going to join them for fighter boys. Not today though. Kamgis. Grava, balas, that's sand. Hollow blocks and cementing. Bottom of the holes and making things look cool and other things I don't know. That's what they're carrying in the sacks when you see them walking back and forth, because they're starting to prepare for filling the holes. I think we might be able to do one today, and if that's the case, I know somebody who I would like to be a part of that. Good afternoon, Mama Rose.
Yes, good afternoon, guys.
Okay, so later this afternoon, probably quite late, we're gonna post.
Sit down.
It's okay, I'm trying to practice my punko.
Okay.
We're gonna do the first post concreting. Would you do the honorary money throw?
Yeah, sure.
Or we just want your good luck.
Oh.
Will you come over later and be the one? Because I heard Commander told me that you said we should throw money in the foundation.
You should throw money because old time people. I remembered my father did that. You know, like the coins. You should put coins, not papers.
Okay.
Okay. My father put 12 pieces of 1 peso coins because before there was no 5 pesos. Yeah, it's whole.
Yeah.
He put 12 pieces of. No, 12 pieces. No, 9 pieces.
Okay.
It's not. It should be not even. It should be
An odd number. Okay, odd number.
9 pieces of 1 peso coins for each hole. And maybe God, also from the hands of God, how many fire occurred and typhoon and our house.
Still good.
Alhamdulillah. Is still good and is still livable and looks still brand new.
So
that's ancestral home.
Even if you don't believe in the superstitions or lucky things, always respect them because hey, you never know.
You never know.
So Mama Rose will come by later and do the honorary coin toss. 9 1 peso coins. I'll prepare them.
Yeah.
I heard though in the other hole, Mama Rose is gonna throw 100,000 each hole. Is this true? Just joking. Thank you. I'll see you later.
I almost collapsed.
Okay, I'll call you later when we're gonna do it. Thank you. Good luck with your paperwork.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it's very cool. I thought it'd be nice for Mama Rose to throw it in. Good vibes with good neighbors. Commando, how you doing? Okay?
Hi.
You look like me last year.
Yes. I like it here. It's like an alternative office with ocean view.
Yes, actually. This place is coming together more and more and more and more.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's really cool. I'm
Really nice.
excited for the store and the little acoustic bar thing maybe. And
Mama Rose doesn't mind if I'm here. sir.
We don't mind if you're anywhere, Commander. We love you. Okay. That's
Scripted.
it. That's scripted.
Scripted in your mind.
Nice view.
It's very nice.
Oh no. Yes.
Ilanghang.
Yes. The best.
Kailan
Order ko.
fighter 50 mo?
Oh, actually.
Actually.
Hold up.
Aray! Salamat!
Go, 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 go! Kumar was the Gananggang transporter. But I just want you to confirm to everybody, I don't like go around handing out fighter wine to everybody all the time. It just so happens today it's happening. Because that lady is the asawa of the guy who did Hilut massage to Jundi, and then we gave Mang Hilut as a tip a fighter 50, and she told me the other day that she really liked it. So I just knew I'd keep some in the scooter.
handing more.
No, just yeah, but just to be a nice guy, like yeah. But
What's wrong with that?
Nothing. I don't know. Sometimes people think I'm not like
No.
you know.
Never mind them.
Never mind them. Only mind the gananggang. Dude, she was so happy. Like, it was so timing. I just put it in the scooter knowing it in the future someday I could give her. Fighter 50 for the win.
Ito ninyo, kuwan, tangke.
Next, dili maduol dito kay humok ng yuta matumpa. Back down.
What is this? What does the thing do?
Are they gonna miss it here ba? Kay we can't kuwan the kuwan.
So
Concrete mixer
that's
there.
to mix the cement. And then that cement is about to go in the hole and fasten the first ginormous post.
Yeah.
Okay, pretty soon Mama Rose is gonna get to give us some good vibes.
Ito ba dili yung gamito ng mixer ko? Dili.
I see you're doing some engineering, sir.
Praise keeping rope.
What?
This machine, when you buy this one, you will receive a praise keeping rope. One exercise.
Isn't that the engine starter?
Huh? Keeping rope
Prove it.
for kids.
Prove.
For kids. Boy!
Hey, don't disturb the cement mixer, bro. Tabi apo.
I know.
Tabi apo. You're not Mama Rose. And you tried to knock down my drone with the chinelas.
I know my distances.
Nice. Mama Rose is here. Kumar, I know you're busy with the plants, but can you please help me talk? Yes.
Wait.
Dude, look at the position.
Hello,
That's
Mama
the
Rose.
pumpo. Hello.
Look at this position, man.
Style.
Dude, it's really like...
It's comfortable. Ha? Dalo na kayo yan. I will cover Mama Rose. I will cover Mama Rose.
Mama Rose in the sun.
Look at me. I'm covering Mama Rose. Look at this. Look at this.
You are a little bit.
I'm gonna get the pie out.
You know what you're covering of Mama Rose?
La 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 la.
You know where your hands are.
Hoy, yo ba? Yo ha?
Yeah,
the hero.
Big. No, I'm only the hero. She calls it. Ah, for the camera.
Not covered. Big, give me the umbrella. Not there. Oh, it's not. Mama Rose not covered. Hey, let me.
You sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
Let's see. Let's try teamwork.
This is the.
So actually, let's see. Connect.
Engineers.
That's why I'm engineer. Oh, look at that. Oh.
Dude, I hate to break it to you.
Huh? Claro, anak.
You don't have any papers.
Huh?
You are not an engineer.
You're just jealous. You're just jealous.
Maybe small.
So if you're
store.
gonna like, if you're gonna open anything, or if you're gonna like
open a business, is for good luck. That's
high
for good
tide,
luck. Yeah, it
you
should be
don't
high
do it
tide.
low tide.
No.
High tide for good luck.
Yeah.
Is it high tide right
And
now?
sometimes we wait for the number. The number like 8, 5, something that goes up. Not 6, not 4, not 7, but something that the number goes up.
Nylon, nylon.
Banana spacing.
Yeah, man, this is dope.
I think we have to throw the coins before you put that down.
Okay, Ranas.
Take it out.
The concrete thing ba?
Yeah, because you have to put something, the coins first before anything else. Kung pa-complete na to ang
We take photos.
So, throw the coins na, Brad.
Throw the coins, Brad.
Hold on, we need the...
What
ayaw
angle
lang
do you want?
ang tao. Okay?
What angle do you want?
1,
One second, just...
Sige, sige.
Oh my gosh, okay, she's already doing it. Mama Rose is throwing coins.
3, 4. Isbog daw, isbog.
100,000.
Ay! Daigo ka? 6, 7, 8,
Just keep it here.
and 9.
That's
See,
it.
it's in the middle.
And it's high tide. It's high tide, 9 coins. We're all good. Thank you, Mama Rose.
Okay.
Take care,
Welcome.
take care. Are you
Good
okay?
luck.
Thank you. We're gonna be good. Mama Rose is throwing 9 coins in the hole. Do you want anything while you're here? Would you like beer, soda, coffee?
No, nothing. It's
thanks for
okay.
coming over.
I'm good.
I believe as well, is it true, Commander? Thank you, bro. Is it true, Commander, that you want to throw something in the hole as well?
Throw yourself
I was
in.
going to throw 11.
Mama Rose.
11. I was going to throw 11 pesos in, but I wouldn't disrespect Mama Rose like that. So no.
Why 11? That's a very bad number. Going down. 2 going down.
So I won't do that.
Only one.
So this is it. We go. You guys are gonna
One peso
concrete
to
it.
make it.
They're gonna hold here until the concrete will get
Actually?
hard.
So,
Why you're laughing, huh?
I've got a bad thought. I'm not saying anything.
the construction has begun, and we love you, Mama Rose! It's like having a metal coconut tree. And I think we're gonna see 9 more of them soon. That's it, the cement machine is now going. That piece of wood now looks like a piece of concrete. And the guys I think are gonna throw in, yeah, a whole bunch of these as days progress forward. We're lucky with the weather right now. That's why we started construction at this time of the year, because for us here in Mindanao, it's very dry still and very hot. Very cool. Mama Rose's father used to throw in 9 coins. We went with 9 coins. I wonder, do you have any unique superstitions or building beliefs that you follow or go for when you're starting a new project? Let me know. I think that superstitions and kind of just unique ideas for positive lucky vibes are just fun, regardless if you believe in them or not. You can always respect them and just harness the good vibes from them. So that's what we did. They're laying out more bases. Let's see how this progresses. Have a good day. I'm gonna go for a run.